everybody. I thought maybe since a lot of people are home now, they might want to have a fun activity to do. So what I thought we would do is show you how to make homemade Play-Doh. It's the same Play-Doh I make in my class for the children to use. If for any reason the children take it and put it in their mouth, it's perfectly safe. All that's in this Play-Doh is flour, salt, cream of tartar, food dye, and vegetable oil. The first thing that you do is you take 4 cups of flour. So if this is 2 cups, you fill it up 2 cups of flour, pour it into a bowl, then put another 2 cups of flour in and pour it into the bowl. If it's if you're using this kind of measuring cup. So you would have a total of 4 cups of flour going in. Then what you would do is you would take salt, and you would just take, again, 2 cups of salt, and you would pour that into the bowl. Then what you would do is you would take a tablespoon and you would do it 4 times and pour the cream of tartar in it. So you would do 4 tablespoons of cream of tartar and pour it into your bowl. So it's your flour, it's your salt, and your cream of tartar that are getting mixed up. And I've already started to do it, and you mix it all up in here. And I already, with the water, I already started boiling it, but I'm going to explain. You take 4 cups of water. So here's a 2-cup mark. So you do 2 cups and another 2 cups, and you pour it into a pot. And you take and you take 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And you put 1, 2, 3, 4 of these in here, pour them into the pot with the water prior to it getting boiled. Then after that, what you're going to do, we're going to go over there. I love using gel colors to make the Play-Doh colorful. You can use any of these to do this, but I just prefer this to do it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over, I had this boiling, but I'm going to turn this back on just a little bit. So what we have here is I already put the water in here. I already put the vegetable oil in. But what I want to do is I want to add some color to this. So first I'm just going to mix this a little bit. As you can see, this is already pretty hot. And I'm going to add some color. There's no rhyme or reason to how much color you add. You can really do whatever you want. Most of the other stuff you can do with the kids. This part I would hesitate having the kids do any part of this, but the mixing of the flour and stuff like that is fine. And then once this is done and you're ready to pour this into the dry mix, after you get it to the point where it's safe for the kids, they can help knead it and get it together. I'll show you. So, can you get me gloves? Thank you. Okay, so you can see this is pretty much ready to go. As you can see, it's to a boil. And I'm shutting it down. And the food coloring is added. Again, you can put any food coloring you want. I decided to go for purple today. So that is that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the dry mix, I'm going to put it over into the sink, Okay, and then I'm going to take the this pot of boiling water, oil, and food dye, and I'm going to pour it, thank you honey, I'm going to pour it into this. Now of course this is very hot, so obviously you're not going to have the children, you're not going to have the children touching that. Later on you can. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take a spoon, I'm just going to mix it like this. And you go like this, and it's going to mix it pretty well. And you see, Gazala? So
cool.
It is. It really is a great thing. It lasts a lot longer than what you get at the store.
One?
Yes, it lasts a lot longer. And I put this in a container, you know, an airtight container, which is what I would strongly suggest that people do at home. It will last a long time. And you know, what I started to do is give the children just little pieces of it, let them use it, and when they're done, we discard it for sanitary reasons at this point, being what's going on. So this way, you know, you're not wasting the whole batch, because you don't want to put it back into the container at this point with everything going on.
Yep.
So it's really a lot of fun. And as you can see over here, I have gloves that I'm going to be using to mix it once I get this cooled down enough. So the main thing to remember is just to make sure that you have the dry ingredients in a bowl separate from the liquid ingredients, and then once the liquid is you know, boiled and mixed into this, you mix it, and you'll see it's going to come out really well. This is the kind of, I use a Rubbermaid container. It works really well, and yeah, so you'll see in a second. And Gazala, if you want to take these, hun, and put those on.
Yes.
Okay, so it's going to come out really, really good. You'll see it's really cool.
Yeah, it looks cool.
And the kids love it. Miss Lisa's class loves it, so
Yes.
you'll see. It's a little hot, but
It is a little hot.
once it cools down a bit, the children can certainly help you. Being with everything going on, have
it is
them,
nice.
yeah, have them. I would say probably have them put gloves on, obviously with everything going on, but they certainly can help you, and it's a lot of fun, you know. But you see.
Especially you can make so many different things with this.
Yeah. I use this. I actually use it for our Handwriting Without Tears program.
Oh, that's
The
nice.
children can make the letters of the alphabet with this. They can make the numbers. So it's a really great activity. You have your math involved with this too, because you can say, oh, 4 cups of flour, and you count with the children when you do that. 2 cups of salt, 4 tablespoons of cream of tartar, and that we're going to mix it. And it's math, and you know, it's just a great activity. And children.
I made it, letter K.
See, I'm so proud of you.
Wow.
So it's just a really wonderful activity, and I hope you all enjoy it. It's Miss Lisa's secret recipe,
That's nice.
and
it was
but I
secret,
share. I'm
little
a
boy.
good sharer. So, and then once it's
Thank
done,
you, Miss Lisa.
you're welcome, Gazala. So I hope all of you at home enjoy it, and we do miss you guys, and we hope to see you all really, really soon. So, you know, thank you
Be
again.
safe and healthy.
That's right, we miss you. And when
Yes,
you're done with it, you'll put it in a container, and you'll put this over it, and it will last a lot longer. Okay? Thanks
you,
for
my
joining
friend.
us. Bye.
Thank you, bye.